Hi, my name is Christina, and I'm going to walk you through two of our more popular systems here at Superhairpieces. We'll be looking at two mono silk top lace systems, the M102 and the M102 Basic. So let's start with the similarities. The M102 and the M102 Basics have monofilament silk top bases, making them both comfortable and breathable. The base size of both systems come 8 by 10, 8 width, length 10, and can be cut down to 7 by 9 if preferred. Other similarities present amongst the two include the fact that they share the same hair density of 135%, providing plenty of volume and hair coverage. Both are made with the soft, fine Indian Remy human hair, and also share a fold of 1/8 inch lace front that creates a more natural looking hairline. Lastly, both units also come with an A-shaped front contour for those looking for a specific hairline. Our systems feature a hair length of 6 inches, allowing for a wide range of customizations and looks. So whether you choose the M102 or the M102 Basic, these two systems are sure to have you covered. Now let's get to the differences. The M102 Basic was made in response to the pandemic. Here at Superhairpieces, we found it crucial to create a hair system with the same qualities of the M102, but with shorter production times while combating increased material prices. The M102 Basic is more affordable, but offers the same benefits of the standard M102 model. The hair color of the M102 Regular is more consistent, whereas the M102 Basic will have more variation. For the base material, the M102 uses a poly coating with a harder material to ensure the base keeps its contour. The M102 Basic, on the other hand, uses a poly coating which is made from a softer material, so the base will feel more comfortable when you wear it. As you can see, they are more similar than they are different, but if you are looking for a more cost-effective choice, the M102 Basic is a great option. That's it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My name is Christina, and I'll see you next time. Bye!